What's up, everybody? I'm Alex,
I'm Ingrid.
and we are Encrypted Couple. We are your sexy crypto couple, and we are here to make crypto interesting for you. So basically, another thing we want to talk about today is the fact that the CME group, one of the biggest futures trading platforms, is going to launch Bitcoin trading futures on their platform. And people are saying this is going to happen sometime around December 10th or December 16th. And this is just so huge,
Groundbreaking.
that we want to remind you guys about it. We know a lot of people are trying to get the word out about it. And honestly, this is just going to be huge because a lot of people think that they might have missed the boat on Bitcoin and on cryptocurrency. But this is literally just one of the biggest milestones in institutional money actually coming into the space. So what's really crazy about this, though, is that these contracts are actually going to last months, but they are only going to be traded during business hours, which is really strange because for really the entire crypto space, you can trade 24/7 as long as you have an internet connection. And so now there's going to be an institutional trading environment for trading Bitcoin futures, which is just going to be crazy. And it's literally going to lock people into these contracts, up until, well, they're going to expire after a couple months. I mean, I think the first one expires in March, starts this month. And so this is just really, absolutely, really crazy because we've already seen Bitcoin with this explosive growth at the end of this year. I mean, I know when I joined, the crypto space about like a year and a half ago, summer 2016, it was just Bitcoin on Coinbase. And it was about a $700 Bitcoin, and I was sitting there going, who is gonna, spend a 700? Let's wait for a pullback, let's wait for a pullback. So here we are, it's almost at 12,000. And, a couple months back, in August, I was like, okay, it's really shooting up. Let's get this good pullback in. And then, 1 month later, I was like, okay, we're gonna wait for a pullback. And here we are, $12,000 Bitcoin, no pullback. It pulled back to 9,000 or something, and, that's all we're gonna get. So
The world is our oyster. There's so many possibilities. It'd be really interesting to see the implications of this more structured system and more involvement. I'm really curious to see how this affects trading, how this affects people, how they look at cryptocurrency. Is this going to normalize cryptocurrency? Is it going to make it more available, more open to people that might not be open to it now? I feel like this could really take cryptocurrency to the next level, and I'm really curious about what you guys think. So I hope you comment below and let us know how you think this is going to change up the game, because we're really excited and we want to hear how you feel about it too.
Yeah, and let us know if any of you are already trading with this CME group, because this is a gigantic trading platform and there's already millions of people out there who are on this platform who are going to be given the option to get into Bitcoin. Well, not necessarily really get into Bitcoin, but basically just bet on where it's going to go. And that's just really crazy because, a while back, like Fidelity announced that they were going to have, the Coinbase coins and stuff. And so it's just really crazy because, January next year, you might walk into Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, Bank of America, and they might let you have a separate teller for cryptocurrency transactions. So literally, and they have private patents for technology like that too. So very exciting time to be alive.
I can't wait for that day. I'm ready to spend crypto. I'm ready to spend currency that's free of the Federal Reserve System. I want to create currency that the current of that currency goes back into the people. And so we're really excited to create that together in our lives for our family. And we want to help you and your family create the same thing as well.
Yeah, and so if you or anybody else is thinking that you missed the boat on Bitcoin, you didn't. You are hearing about it at just a fine time, And another thing is they say you should buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So the rumor was, them launching this system. You would want to, maybe have some Bitcoin.
Maybe a
because I think 12,000 in a couple weeks is gonna be a smaller number. Let's just say that.
Well, I'd like to tell a little story about us and buying Bitcoin, because I wanted to buy some Bitcoin as it was going up, and he's told me to wait, and I kind of went against the grain and bought it, and it shot up to 9,000 within 4 hours of that purchase. And so you never know what could happen. We've already made plenty of money off that Bitcoin already in less than a week. So think about that when you're going to Starbucks, when you're throwing that money in the stock market that I think people are realizing they've already lost so much of their retirement. They've already lost so much money in this system. It's broken. It's flawed. It's not working. So take a chance, and you don't have to start with a lot. That's the thing. I mean, start with a little bit and watch that money grow. And I guarantee you're gonna love it like we do. Like, this is our life. We love this. We live a life that we love, and we love what we do.
Exactly. And we want to show you how you can adjust to this lifestyle and how you will learn to love it too. So we are peacing out here in the beautiful Colorado Springs.
Rocky Mountain High, baby.
And yeah, so make sure, you know, if it's your first video, hit subscribe, hit like, hit us up on Steemit. And yeah, so, you know, we will see you in the next video here at Encrypted Couple, where we are your sexy crypto couple, keeping crypto interesting and exciting.